Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna keep the intro super short and sweet and show you how to get your hair looking like this. To this, only using a straightening iron. You might also need a hair tie or clips, sea salt spray, totally optional, and any kind of hair oil. So let's get right into this video. So you want to first section your hair off just above the ears and just put it up into a bun or just away from the lower half of your hair. You then want to section this part off in half and then grab a small piece of hair and begin curling. So the thing is, all you gotta do is flip the straightener 180 degrees and pull it down almost all the way to the end of the hair, but not all the way to the end, to give that kind of effortless, kind of beachy waves curl situation. And then you will also want to hold it for like 2 to 3 seconds as you're sliding it down your hair just so it holds, it curls. So I'm just going to show you guys me curling my hair in normal speed just for a couple times more, and then I'm going to speed up and I'll show you how I style my hair at the end of the video. So once you're done with this section, you want to remove the hair tie and section it off right where the ends of your brows are and tie it up or clip it up, put it into a bun just like I did. And then I'm just going to push the curled hair back and section the new section of hair into 2 and bring that forward. So here's where I'll be speeding up the video, but basically all I'm doing is the same things that I've showed you before. You just want to twist at 180 degrees and you want to just hold that for 2 to 3 seconds as you're slowly sliding it down your hair, but not all the way to the end of the hair because you want to create that kind of like effortless look, or at least I want to do that. So just like curl only 2/3 of your hair. Alrighty, so on to the third section right now. I'm just going to take the crown bit and I'm going to bun that up, and I'm just going to let the rest of my hair fall down. And what I'm going to do now is I am still bunning my hair, but I'm going to split the remaining section into half and throw the curled hair back, and we'll start with the curling again. So this new section of hair right here frames are free, so I have a little trick to give you more volume. So I'm just going to take this piece and I'm going to curl that away from my face, and then with a new piece I'm curling it towards my face. So what you want to do is to like alternate between the hair pieces, so some will go like towards your face, some will go away from your face, so that kind of creates like different texture and also added volume. Also, I just want to add, seeing all the smoke coming off my hair, I forgot to say to actually use a heat protectant. I forgot to put that in the video, but if you do have it, please use it because you don't want to have your hair falling off and breaking to pieces. And finally, onto our last section. So this is how I usually part my hair. I know it's quite pathetic because one side just has like a strand of hair, but I'm gonna curl that anyways and move on to the final side. So I'm just gonna put the rest of my hair into a ponytail because I don't want to oh my god, I don't want to let that get in the way of my hair. And anyways, I'm gonna curl this, but the best part is the like piece of hair that is right next to your face, framing your face. You want to curl that away from your face. So if you have any piece of hair right next to the side of your face, you want to always curl that away from your face so you have the nice framing kind of look. And we are done. Now I'm just going to show you guys how I style my hair when it's curled. So I'm just going to spritz some sea salt spray. It just gives added texture so your hair looks more beachy, and it actually legit feels like you just went to the beach and came back. So that's really good. And then you want to flip your hair over and just tussle it. Just give your scalp a nice massage and your hair will look super big. And then you want to fluff the bottom up as well. And I like to put some oil so it doesn't look like dry AF because we just use heat on that. And you just want to apply that on the bottoms of your hair or just wherever you feel is dry. Fluff it some more and you got yourself curled hair. So the thing that I love about having my hair curled is that I can do just about any hairstyle and it will look great. Like even the simple low pony hairstyle looks nice. And you can even do this half up, half down curled look that is Ariana Grande inspired. Also, my all-time favorite is a high ponytail. I feel like I wear this like 90% of the time just because it looks so cute. Alright, so this is the end of my video on how to curl your hair with just a straightening iron. Now you know you don't have to go out and get yourself a curling iron because there's no need for that. Let me know down in the comments what other kind of hair tutorial you like to see. Don't forget to also give me a big fat thumbs up if you actually enjoy watching this video. Also, please give me some love and subscribe and hit the bell button so you know when I have a new video out, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!